As I look at the herbs in the garden this evening, I noticed that some of the herbs need to be cut back. It's time to harvest. They're growing quite well, and some have not. Like this poor little calendula, it's seen better days. It did really well in the spring, but right now it's just barely hanging on. But much to my surprise, my figs are looking amazing. They were tiny little babies when I put them in the garden, and now my Chicago Hardy is showing that it wants to give me figs. I don't know if it's going to manage to before the winter comes, but I'm open to seeing what's going to happen. This area of the garden is overgrown. I really need to get in here and clean it up, but I've noticed that at nighttime, it has a few little visitors, and I'm gonna start spanning around, and I hope you guys get to see them. Do you see them fluttering around? They're trying to feed. There are a couple of different animals here. I can't quite make out what one of them is, but a few of them look like hummingbirds, and they really enjoy the moonflowers. Now, the morning glories, of course, are closed, and there is one little animal that's looking for food there, but can't seem to find it. But look at the moonflowers. Do you see it? There are a few of them here. I'm trying to stand still. I do apologize for the camera work that I'm doing here. I'm trying to stand still and stay out of their way. But I wanted to show you guys what I happened to see as I was surveying the garden this evening before I went inside. This area looks like an absolute mess, but it does draw in little creatures at night. So before it gets too dark, I better get inside. But I wanted to show you guys that even though this looks terrible, it is bringing in beautiful little flutters during the evening, and they are feeding and feeding well. I hope you all enjoy my little evening visitors. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful evening, everybody.